Hey guys, so I've been really shit with my vlogging and I actually didn't film the rest of it, so don't get mad at me, I'm sorry. I just lost track of time and this is new to me. But today I'm really excited because I am hanging out with my friend Maddie, and as my birthday present from her, she's taking me on a surprise day and I have no idea what we're doing and I'm really excited. I've already done my foundation and contour. I'm just doing it at the moment, but I thought I might as well just film the rest and talk to you guys while I do it. She's gonna be here, so it's quarter to 10. She's gonna be here at 10:30. I hope that I'll be ready in time. I'm pretty slow at getting ready. And then she said we have to get 2 ferries, so I don't know where we are going. I know literally nothing, which I'm kind of excited about. So I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous, kind of really freaking hungry because I haven't eaten today. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just put on my eyelashes. They're still drying, so there's a little bit of white, but it's okay. Yeah. So I just gotta wait for Maddie now. I'm really excited. So this is the final makeup look. Just super cute. And then I'm wearing a little red dress, and I'm gonna be wearing a black Gucci belt with it, with the gold Gucci symbol. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'll see you guys soon when Maddie gets here.
Like you did.
So Maddie's here. So we are, yeah, there we go. We're on the ferry. Maddie's being really rude all the time.
Sorry.
So what are we doing?
Okay, so first, what is my hair? Hang on, 1 second. Okay, so first we'll get off the ferry at Circular Quay.
Yeah.
While we're waiting.
Never been there.
What?
Kidding.
While we're waiting for our reservation, we'll just go and have a nice little cocktail at Opera Bar or something.
I love Opera Bar.
Yeah. It's really bright. It's so weird.
You get used to it. Where? Don't be used to come here all the time. With another person that we don't talk to.
Oh.
Oh well. I literally have the best friend ever. Look at that view. She took me to Hotel Palisade. Oh my god, it's so nice. Hello. So I've been home for a few hours now since my makeup looks blotchy as hell. I need to take it off, and I got in my pajamas, which yes is a oversized Star Wars t-shirt. Yeah, it's very comfortable. I literally just wanted to say I had the best day ever with Maddie. It was just insane. Like, we always do this for each other's birthdays. Like, we take each other on surprise days, which is just like really fun, I think. And I think it's good because I think best friends should make memories together, and I think that's nice that we take each other out for our birthdays as opposed to like actual physical gifts. I think it like means more. Tomorrow, which will be Monday, I'm going to look at cars with my mum because she wants to get a new car, so we're going to BMW. So I might bring y'all along. Talk to you guys later. Mwah. So mum, excited? Yes. Excited? I'm gonna go look at the cars.
Outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. My best friend's sofa.
Yes, way wider than your one.
Is it bigger than?
I kind of like the red interior too. For the orange.
I like it. Yeah. So it's
the X2, but should we look at the X3?
I'll look at the X3. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. I knew.
So this is the X1.
This is a bit higher, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that one's wider. So I think I don't need the width like that.
No, I think this is good. And you've got more room in the back in this one
It
because you're
looks
a bit
more
higher
spacious.
up.
Is it more spacious than my car?
Yeah, are you joking?
Well, I don't know.
You have a Mazda, what, 3?
3.
No, you have Mazda 2? No, 3.
3.
I have the X3, that's right.
Yeah,
No,
well,
of
I'm
course.
glad what you've got now.
Of course it's bigger than your one. Don't you, how can you not feel that this is bigger?
Yeah, I like the fact it's higher up.
I do
don't
too.
like the
I like this whole, see, this is so, like when we looked at the Lexus, don't you think this is just so
Oh,
much
yeah,
more
so
modern?
that was
And
nice.
how beautiful that wheel, like that's like my wheel and you always say you like that.
It's a good size.
It's a really good size. So we're test driving and Mum's a bit nervous. And then I get to test drive, even though it's not going to be my car, but you know, it's still good. You're doing really well,
I
Mum.
want you to take over now. I'm too nervous.
I will.
And drive it to Dad's. And show
You
him.
want to show Dad? Okay. Well, we'll get to the top of this hill and we'll pull over towards the left. You know where that pool place is? Don't worry, just get to the top of the hill and I'll show you where to go and then I'll drive. And it'll be
I'm
fine.
just too nervous.
I know, it's alright. Well, of course you are. You're not insured. It's not, yeah, I get it. We're just test driving, so I get it. Don't worry though, I'm here with you. It'll be fine. I feel like I'm taking an L drive. It's like my daughter for the first time. Quite funny.
like that.
It is. It's very nice though. So we literally just drove the car test
Oh, it was a
driving
good
it.
idea to drive it home.
It was, and we saw Dad. Dad was like, yeah, buy it.
The only trouble is I'll have to employ you as my chauffeur. Can you have a little hat?
Sure. Can you believe, Mum, you're getting a new car? This is your new car.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Oh my god, you deserve it.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited for you. I'm so excited for you. A new car is so
he always
fun.
says
I still love
your
mine.
father says I buy things without him seeing them. Well, he's seen it.
He's seen it. He's approved it.
it's-
Woohoo! Guys got a Beamer, bitches.